start again. It's a redskin.
Like so far. So what I've just been doing is just installing it one by one. My last time that I tried hair like this, I was installing them multiple at a time, but what I'm just gonna do is just install them just like this. So I'm just gonna pull the latch hook under my braid, place the hair on there, pull it through, and then I'm only gonna knot it once. And so far this right here is one pack, one bundle, with the exception of the one that I just put in there. And I'm just gonna install it like that, and if I need to go in and fill in once I'm done with the install, I'll just do that. But very easy. You think it'll be something because it is small, but it's really not a big deal. So it's very easy. But when I do my installs, I like to start in the back and then work my way up to the front. It's just easier for me that way. Place it on there, pull it through, and I'm just not gonna give one time because this hair, it's so thin, it's not gonna unravel, it's not gonna come loose. And it's soft, but it's not super soft to where it's gonna easily unloosen or unravel. There we go. All finished, and this is the finished look. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. This is so cute. So this hair is by RemboHair, and it came with 5 bundles, and the color that I have is Bombshell, Yanky Twist. Y'all, these are so cute. I'm not gonna cut them or anything. I'm gonna leave them just like this, But they sent me 2 packages, and this one is in black, but I wanted to try something different because the last time I tried Yanky Twist, I tried a dark color. So this is how the hair comes packaged, and this is what it looks like in the package. I did not count how many strands are in one bundle, but 1 pack is more than enough for a full install. I do have a couple of pieces of hair left. Let me grab it. So I do have a couple of pieces of hair left, and I feel like I'm gonna try to add those in, but I like this. This is enough for a full pack. This is the look I was going for the first time I installed it. I wasn't using this hair, I was using a different hair, but like I said, this is how much I have left, and I'm in love with the color. And I'm in love with the color because it's dark here, so it kind of matches my roots more, and then it goes to this like color 30, and then this looks like the 27, and it's just so, like, look at the color, guys. It's just so pretty. It's so pretty. It goes so well together. All the information will be down in the description box if you are interested in purchasing this hair. And yeah, you guys, this is a different hair. Y'all know everything is going on with all the other hairs, all the other synthetic hairs and stuff like that. But yeah, you guys, I like this hair so much. This is what it looks like. And then for a middle part, this is the middle part, and you can style it, do whatever you want to do with it. This is what it looks like, a middle part. And then can we do the other side? What's it look like on the other side? Oh yeah, okay. It's very lightweight, so bouncy. It's like I don't even, it feels like I don't have enough hair in my hair, if you know what I mean. It's that light, and we're looking good. We're feeling good. That's it for this video, you guys. If you found it helpful, give me a huge like. Check out the description box for information. Leave me a comment on what you think. The color is so cute, y'all. It's really popping. Perfect for spring, perfect for summer. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.